What's good, YouTube? Your boy Eardrum Assassin. Today we're going to be installing the Black Widow Cat Delete, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get into this. All right, guys, this should be pretty straightforward. First thing we need to do is disconnect the slip-on, the hot body slip-on that I got mounted. Then we need to take this cover off, take some of this plastic off, and then we can get to the catalytic converter bolts, which hold it up somewhere around here, and also a clamp onto the header. Once we take that off, we should be able to remove the entire cat, and then we can mount the cat delete pipe, and this thing will have a whole new sound and be a beast. So YouTube, here's the gasket, which goes on the cat, which we're gonna reuse for the pipe. Here's the cat. This thing weighs probably, I don't know, close to 10 pounds, I would say. Big clunky piece of crap. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the Black Widow pipe on. We're gonna use some grease, that exhaust grease that comes with the kit. We're gonna put a little grease on the gasket. We're going to insert it back into the header, and then we will be able to put on the slip-on. Here we have it, YouTube. The Black Widow Cat Delete pipe installed. You will need a 14mm nut for this bolt right here, unless you just want to skip that. And basically this will support the exhaust, and that will support the exhaust, so you don't really need that, but I suggest you get the 14mm nut for that bolt. But I don't know what happened. My camera ended up messing up. I don't know why it didn't record me installing this, but this is literally a 10-minute job, start to finish. It's just a couple bolts. Everything slips together perfectly. Thanks, Black Widow, for making a perfect product. And yeah, I'm gonna go get the key and we're gonna start this baby up. All right, YouTube, let's give this baby a crank and see how she sounds.